Okay, so today just a real quick video on how to rekey a Mortise cylinder. This is something that you would find on the front of a business. This is your business door lock, pretty much. Commercial. It's on business doors. Very easy. Same principles as other rekeys, just a different approach to get the plug cylinder out. It's got 2 screws on the back here. Just undo these screws. Okay. Then use the current key that operates the lock. Take your plug follower. Now this is something I'm homemade. It's just a 1/2-inch dowel rod. I don't know, 3 inches long. And if you look, I've taken and filed that little groove out of the middle there. And this is because if you look on the back of this particular lock, it's got that same, so this fits right there around it, so it doesn't have any gaps in between when I follow it through. So you can make these. You get a 3-foot dowel rod for $1. Cut it down, and for homemade purposes, and if you can't find one on the internet or whatever. But same thing before, just put it in to where it lines up, push it through, just like you would a quick set or whatever. And the cuts on this key look like 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 5, 1. We'll try that out. Number 2, number 3, 6, 5, and a 1. Okay, it's 2, 3, 6, 5, 2. And you can see it's nice and flush, just like standard rekey, just like you would any other type lock. It's just a Mortise cylinder. Same thing. Have your top cap here at noon, key in either 3 or 9 o'clock position, and it's rekeyed. We'll do one more real quick. Make sure you tighten your screws down real good. Alright, so that's one. I'll just burn through this next one here real quick so you can get another chance to check it out. And one day when I have a little bit more time, I'll show you how to get these locks on and off of the actual front of the business door. They have set screws, and it's real simple. Just got to show you. So I think we got 2, 3, 6, 5, 2. So I'll put in my 2s. Here's my 3, 6, and a 5. Nice and flush. Same thing, noon, 3 or 9, right through, and it's rekeyed. Put on your tailpiece. It's kind of hollowed out here. That's where the screw goes. Just make sure you get the right side. You'll see. Put your screw in, nice and tight. Second screw, nice and tight. And they're both rekeyed. That's all she wrote. Thanks for watching.